learning that fire has broken out in Ernakulam express train. The loco pilot noticed the fire and stopped the train at the nearby railway station. Fire erupted at B1 coach. The staff separated the other coaches from the train. Passengers ran in panic as soon as the train was stopped at the railway station. The loco pilot noticed the fire near the railway station while the train was travelling from Tata Nagar to Ernakulam. M1 and B2 coaches completely gutted in fire, and that is something that you can see on the screen. Fire has been doused by the firefighters, and on the other hand, we're learning that an inquiry has been launched in this incident. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Somit, who's been tracking all the details. Somit, this is very concerning, this massive fire in this train that was going from Tata Nagar to Ernakulam. Take us through the details, and have there been any casualties so far?
Well, Akanksha, a massive fire broke out in the Ernakulam express train. The loco pilot has noticed this immediately after when the train was traveling between Elementally and actually Tata Nagar to Ernakulam. So it was stopped at the Elementally and immediately was informed to the railway officials, railway staff, and also firefighters were immediately called in. They reached the spot in no time. They started fighting the fire, and they doused the fire in less than a couple of hours. But two coaches completely gutted in fire, and what we have learned from the sources is that almost immediately after fire broke out and after loco pilot stopped the train at the Ernakulam railway station, immediately passengers ran out of fear, and most of them made out, and even a couple of passengers received minor injuries is what we got to know from the local sources. So we are yet to receive official information about the casualties from the railways, but as of now what we got to know is that what we learned from the officials is that no casualties reported as of now, but massive dramatic visuals we can see from the coming in from the Ramanchali railway station in Ankleshwar district in Andhra Pradesh.
Absolutely. So no casualties have been reported so far. Several people have sustained injuries is what we're learning, and railway officials have launched an inquiry to look into what really happened there at the railway station. Thanks so much, Somit, for getting us all those details. With this, a short break.